a late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a technical analysis channel, to a new video on GameStop. And I know this isn't crypto, but you know, a lot of people are gonna talk about this real soon. I think, you know, just like they're talking about AMC now. So I already made the AMC video, so I thought let's include the GME, maybe Nokia later and stuff like that. You know, all the popular trending coins, not coins, the stocks. This is actually a stock. Can you believe it? I'm doing stock technical analysis video. That said, it is breaking some kind of resistance. We're gonna see that the resistance is right over here, going something like right now breaking, just like AMC. It's gonna continue going up, and I'm gonna show you. It's very interesting. It's very nice. It looks better than AMC. If you're gonna watch my AMC video, you'll see the AMC hit some kind of tops. I think this is next in line. Let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening here. So GME, GameStop, you know, I never thought that this had a chance to actually go anywhere, you know, but you know, it went down from the all-time high here, something like 92% down. So technically it's done with the correction. When something goes down 92%, probably everybody who wanted to sell it already sold. Paper hands sold, people who who panicked, they sold. You know, people want to take raw profit, they sold, you know, and stuff like that. So everybody sold. Once the stock is down 92%, everybody sold. What happens then? Then we have this a rally pump, right? This rally pump up here, and that was something like what was that? Like already that's like something like 700%. So you know, and then we went into this some kind of accumulation period over here, and right now we're gonna get a big rally to the upside. At least what I think, at least it's playing exactly as Bitcoin. If you look at a Bitcoin chart in 2017, this 2017, this is a sell-off, this is the rally, this is the accumulation part, and then it blows off. You know. Exactly the same, anyways, let's see where the lines are. This is the line. I think this is the line. It's a very good line. You know, you might not agree with me. I think this is a good line. Something like this. It goes over here. This is on the 4-hourly. So I think we already actually started going up here. You know, you might actually maybe make the case that this is actually the line, and you know, give or take. But we already broke it slowly, broke it up here, got a small little move to the downside, probably hit some kind of moving averages here. Let's see, 10 20 moving average, went down to the moving averages, and right now we are continuing pumping towards the upside. So this has a lot more move to room to go to the upside. I don't think this is finished yet or anything even close, so we're gonna see how this actually plays out, but right now it does look good. It looks better than AMC, I can tell you that right off the bat. So of course there was some kind of a triangle going on here. We broke out to that, and that's actually finished. That's finished right now. So let's pull out the moving averages. You can see that we are above all the moving averages, and in a strong option you're always above all moving averages on all time frames. So weekly above everything, daily above everything, 4-hourly we are above everything, 1-hourly we are above everything. So on all time frames we are above all moving averages. Strong option, no problem in the paradise, right? Let's look at some kind of technicals down here. You can see that this RSI, this what we call rubber band index, you don't want it up here at some kind of 97 levels, or even up here at 87 levels. Right now we're sitting at 72 levels, really nice. So you don't want to, you know, you don't want to get up here, but up here it's perfectly normal, perfectly fine levels. It doesn't give us some kind of overbought signals or something like that. So this has a lot more room to grow. MACD over here got nice bullish cross on the cross once we crossed out of the triangle, going up right now, no problem there. And this last indicator up here, you can see here, don't let me explain to you, but you know, basically we are extended from this line over here. You can see here that these are corresponding. Right now we are not extended from the line at all, so technically there is no problem in the paradise. Everything is going according to the plan. Let's see a little bit on the weekly chart. You can see here also on the weekly chart how we exploded up here on the weekly, but we are nowhere close on this indicator down here. Not only that, on the weekly chart we are getting the bullish cross. That means that this blue line crosses back above the signal line. That's a bullish cross. This is a bearish cross, you know, bearish cross, bullish cross. But on the weekly chart we are back on the bullish cross, and we are going up. Now this is a very volatile chart. It goes up and down, so these bullish and bearish cross are not that important, but it's nice to see that we have a bullish cross, you know, because that will pull a lot more traders into the stock, right? So it looks all all good and dandy. It works fine. So where are some kind of resistances on the way to the top, and how far this can go? Well, first of all, we got support down here. I think it's something like this, give or take. You know, depends on how you draw it. You can see here that it looks like we are actually broken, but you know, this is stocks. You know, things happen with the stocks. Probably should have been something down here, maybe. Yeah, give or take. I think this is actually a lot better line. Something like this, yeah. So you can see here that we are actually following some kind of trend right now, and we're gonna keep on following it. This on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, this looks like something like this over here, and this is the first move. The first move. This is a build up, and right now we are getting the acceleration part. Right, we are trying to accelerate. No, this accumulation, this is the build up right now, the build up, and then you get acceleration part, and then blow off top, right? So the build up was over here, right? When we got to these levels, slowly building up. Right now we are accumulating, right? This is accumulation period. Everybody was accumulating, you're buying, dollar cost averaging, and right now this is a build up period, and after build up we start accelerating, and after acceleration you get this blow off top, just like AMC. Now that assumes that this is going to be a parabolic move, just like AMC. So and you can see here these moves are wild because, you know, retail traders, they don't understand, you know, don't buy overbought levels, just throwing money when something is going up, you know, and that's fine. And you can see that in AMC that it's going parabolic, and parabolic moves never break the trend lines. That's what I want to come back to. These trend lines are never get broken. So this line is out of the picture right now because we have accelerated or started the build up. So this line cannot be broken on the uptrend. If you break this line, the parabolic move is broken, so you cannot break this line. What's gonna happen? You're gonna start going or following this line, and at one point you're gonna accelerate, right? At one point you're gonna accelerate the move, and it will no longer follow this line. It will get a new line to follow. It will start going something like this. It's acceleration. And if it breaks, once it starts following a new trend line, if it breaks that trend line, the parabolic move is finished. And at the end of the acceleration, you gotta blow off top. When it gets really parabolic, it starts going some crazy numbers, and then it blows off and continues down. So right now we are all the way down here, and right now we don't want to cross. Let me pull back my lens, just remove these white lines over here. We don't want to cross this this trend line over here. We don't want to cross on the downside because that will you know, it will ruin the mood. And then once we start getting up to the new line, you know, we start crossing, and then faster and faster, and this becomes a parabolic move, and parabolic moves are unsustainable. At one point they just break, and you get into consolidation. That all happened over here. We got into parabolic move, right? Went down 92%, right? You know, everybody sold, they won't sell, and now the price can continue climbing, because if something is not dead, it won't go down to zero. When a company goes up, you know, and it gets dead, you know, it goes down to zero, it just dies. It looks like it's, it just dies, and like slowly, like, you know, and that's a dead company, right? This isn't a dead company. It went up, then went up again, you know. It has a pulse, you know. Yeah, sure, it goes down, but it has a pulse. It's moving up and down, so it's not a dead company. It does something. So how long it's gonna do something, you know, you know, doesn't matter. Some important resistance line on the way to the top. There are two right now that I can see over here. One being, I think I up here. I think this is the top over here. So these two lines are really important: 277 and 322. So right now it's breaking 277. Right now it's breaking 277, but 320 was 322. Yeah, almost. Okay, let's do it like this. 322. These two numbers, these two lines are really important because they are previous trading levels, right? So right now we are breaking this, and we will come up to here, and all the way up here, from here to here, and start breaking this. And once this is broken, you are at something called price discovery level, and that's where things actually get fun and start moving pretty fast, pretty high, and you know. So anyways, I think this GameStop looks a lot more better than AMC. I think AMC blew off, had some kind of blow off top, but this seemed to be right now in the build-up phase. It's been going for a while. I've been watching actually GameStop for for a short while. You know, ever since we had the breakouts somewhere down here, I've been watching the something like this. I think I've been watching the breakout, but it just was moving so slow. But I think now that I've seen that AMC is actually doing something, I think GameStop also might be doing something. So, you know, worth to notice, worth to know. If you like this content, I know it's not crypto content, but you know, you take what you get. You know, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and stuff like that. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. And you know, as always, this technical analysis channel, I know, come back for more technical analysis. See you around. Bye bye.